We are back today with another Yeezy unboxing. I know. You don't even got to tell. I know. Yeezy out here tripping in these streets. Well, I mean, technically tripping on Instagram. I know. But listen, the man makes some good sneakers. Okay, they're comfortable. They're comfortable. I ain't giving them back. People, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and in today's video we unboxing another pair of Yeezys. Them sneakers are comfortable, and I know, you know, his behavior is controversial. I know his behavior is uncouth, but boy, in my defense, okay, my collection I got before he was tripping on Instagram, and then the other, like, they comfortable. I ain't even gonna lie, they just comfortable. So if you are not familiar with how Yeezys work, they are made by Adidas in collaboration with Kanye West, and you have to put in for a drawing, or, you know, put your name, participate in a drawing. Sometimes you win where you can buy it. I don't know why they call it win, because you still got to buy them. You ain't winning nothing. But if you win, you have the opportunity to purchase. Not even the opportunity. I take that back too, because you got to prepay whether you find out if you win or not. Okay, I digress. But so you download the Confirm app, you participate in the drawing, and then when the shoes are due to release, the date they're released, they will send you a notification whether or not you have been selected to purchase said footwear. So sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. This one I won. Okay, so here is the unboxing. But you know, especially with I'm about to say non-luxury, but they expensive. They expensive. So I ain't gonna say they're not luxury, but you know, I just don't like to. Sometimes I will though, depending on how excited I am. But for the most part, I don't like to just show like, oh, this is a box, this is what I got. I like to style it. I really like to style it to show you how and why I purchased whatever the item is. And then sometimes explains my reasoning behind the purchase. But for the most part, I love styling the things that I purchase, because in its styling, you can pretty much gather why I purchased the item if I haven't told you. So with all that said, let's get into the video. These are the newest addition to my Yeezy collection. They are the typical Yeezy knit with the swoosh down the side. This one has the beige swoosh down the side that says 350. It says SPLY. I don't even know what that stands for, child. I don't. But these are them. For this video, I paired them with my black faux leather Spanx joggings, my halogen faux leather sleeveless shirt, and then my red blazer. These are my next pair of Yeezys. So these are in no particular order, because I don't even remember when I got them, what order they was released. I don't know. But so I'm gonna go from darkest to lightest. I just made that up, but we're gonna go with it. But so let's go over this pair again. The same knitting, and then this one has like dark gray, bluish, and then black tints to them, and has like a cream or brown, light brown sole. Love these. For this video, I paired these with my blue jean shirt, and then my black Jordan joggers, and then my Yeezys. Next are my gray Yeezys with, so I got these for, I do remember this. I got these for Christmas this year. Well, not 2022, last Christmas, 21. But these are them. They're like this dark gray mixed with this light gray and orange in the knitting. Love these. So for this video, I paired these with my orange blazer, blue jeans, and white cami. Next in the Yeezy family are these. I am obsessed with these, and only for one reason. So I have an Ivy Park sweatsuit from Adidas. Oh no, but oh man, I want to go explain that to y'all. But I have an Ivy Park sweatsuit that matched perfectly with this blue. So because of that, because it's like a perfect pair, I'm obsessed. But these are them. For this video, I paired these with a pair of American Eagle distressed denim, the white Spanx bodysuit, and my cardigan. Here you go. The last pair in my Yeezy collection are my lightest. So it's kind of like a mint green and then beige woven into the knit. And then, so these are super comfortable. So I mean, they're all super comfortable. They're pretty much the same sneaker in different colorways, but love these. And for this video, I paired these with my BP lounge set in heather gray, because if you look, it has hints of heather gray, beige, and I think like this mint green. But there you go. Love these. Okay, good people, that is it. That is my unboxing of my new Yeezys, along with my Yeezy collection and how I will typically style them. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Listen, I brought the sneakers because they're comfortable. That's it. That's a period. Okay? So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Of course, following your girl on Instagram, because that's where I put my daily outfit styling and everything. I be thinking I'm cute over there, child. I be thinking I'm cute. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm also TikTok, Facebook at Rakita's Closet. And I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.